guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make Corona shooter game. So first let's see what it is. Guys, do hit the like button and share with your friends, and yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get notifications of upcoming videos. So first of all, I would like to thank you all the doctors and healthcare professionals for your hard work, thoughtfulness during the challenging time. Among the heroes who have emerged from the crisis and are the healthcare professionals who have risked their own health to serve their patients. The nation is indebted to you. Thank you so much. So let's see how to make this game. This game dedicated to all the doctors. In this game, a doctor with the vaccine in his hand is going to kill the corona. But it's not an easy job. Many waves are going to come, but we know our doctor will risk his own life to save us. Before that, I have appealed to all of you to take vaccination so that you and your family can stay safe. So now let's do coding. Yes, so these are all sprites: warrior, corona, shoot, down, up, vaccine, and reset. Okay, you can take it from my link, project link. I have sent it in the description box. Okay, so now go to down. I have given this shoot up and down option because it's a mobile friendly game, so that's why I put this shoot up down option. So go to down and go to reset and take this when flag clicked, broadcast new message, reset. Okay, so now go to down. Now take this when I receive reset, then go to motion, go to X 149. Now go to looks and take set ghost effect by 25. Okay, now set size to 25%. Okay, now go to forever. Now if then, now go to operators and take this and go to sensing and take touching mouse pointer and mouse down. Okay, so now go to events and take broadcast down. Okay, so now go to up and repeat this when I receive reset, go to X, change ghost effect by set ghost effect by 25. Here also set ghost. Yes, here is only set ghost. So set size by 25%. Now forever. If then, operators and sensing, touching mouse pointer, or mouse down. Okay, now broadcast up, new message up. Okay, so now it's done. Now again go to shoot and again do this step. When I receive reset, go to X 111 minus 124 or this Okay, so go to looks, take this set ghost effect by 25, set size by 25. Now forever, if then operator sensing touching mouse pointer or mouse down. Broadcast shoot. Okay, so now go to warrior and take when I receive reset when I receive reset, go to X, forever, go to forever, if then, now take key up arrow pressed, change Y by 10, down arrow, then minus 10. So now the arrow is done. We have to move it from these arrows, not with computer arrows. So now let's do when I receive. Now go to events and take when I receive up, change Y by 10. Now when I receive down, change Y by minus 10. So now it's done, I think. No. So when I receive down, so yes. Receive down. Yes. So now it's done. So now go to there. So now take another when I receive again. So reset. Go to X, minus 160 and 4. Or this is okay. Minus 182 and 11. Okay. So now it's done. So now go to here, Corona, and take this when I receive reset. Go to X, minus 160 and 4. Okay, no. when I receive remove this, when I receive reset, make a variable of score and set score by 0 and take this. Okay, so now go to when I receive, take when I receive from events and take, go to looks and take hide. Okay, so now take forever. Now wait until wait 1 second, means wait, pick random 2 or 4, create clone of myself. Now go to control and take create clone of myself. Okay, so now when go to events again and take when I receive reset, okay, so now take forever, remove this. Now go to control and take when I start as a clone, go now looks and take show. Okay, now go to X 240 and pick random, yes, pick random minus 150 and 150. Okay, now go to looks and take set size to pick random 20 or 40. Okay, so now go to controls and take repeat until touching warrior. Okay, now go to variables and take set speed to 1. No, set speed to pick random minus 2 or 0. Okay, so now go to motion and take change XY speed. Go to variables and take this speed. Okay, so now take if then from control. Okay, so now go to here operators and take this one sign. Now go to motion and take X position minus 220. Okay, so now we have to do take go to X, yes, go to X 240, pick random minus 150 and 50, minus 150 and 150. Okay, so now again take if then. Again take if then, if touching button 2, means if touching this name is button, you can see here its name is button. So if touching vaccine, I have named it as vaccine. So if touching vaccine, change score by 1. Okay, so now go to X. Now go to X 240 Y. X 240 Y. Pick random. Minus 150 and 50. Minus 150 and 50 and 150. Now go to looks, means go to sounds. We have to start sound coin. So here is coin. So go to code and take start sound coin. You can take coin from here. Type here coin and you can take from here. Okay, so it's so start coin. Okay, so now go to vaccine and and take when I receive reset. Let's try once. So now the corona is coming. It's so small size, so we have to big its size. So go to corona again and go and set size to 20. Okay, 20 or 50. Now it will be big in size. Yes, so we have to attack on it. So let's make this vaccine. So there will be no corona. It's vaccine. So take when I receive reset. Set size to 15%. Then hide. Now go to when I start as now go to when I receive shoot create clone of myself. Okay, so now when I start as a clone, go to X. Now go to sensing and take this. Yes, backdraws of state, this one. Now drag it to X position. Yes, and it's and XY is 155. Y position. Drag it to Y position. Now change it to warrior and its Y position. Okay, so now take show from looks. Now repeat until repeat until touching edge. Now move 10 steps and delete this clone. Delete this. Okay, so now let's see our game. So it's up, but it's yes. You can see it's. So we have to. Our down is not working, so we have to check. Down. Change its name D. Yes. Mouse enter and mouse down also we have to. Yes. So down is only okay. So now let's see. So our game is ready. The score is also coming 3. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it.